What? What's going on, beautiful people? Welcome back to another video. I just got done unboxing my new DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Got done setting it up, getting the firmware all updated, and we're gonna put it to the test. Today, we actually have to do some product shots for the old clothing brand that I sold to Joanna, and she needs help for her first launch. So we're doing some product shots that she has listed out, and we also gotta get some video. So I thought, why not put this bad boy to the test? Because I've been looking at this piece of equipment for a while. I just never pulled the trigger on it. Finally made the jump because your boy's been struggling with getting some behind the scenes and vlogging with this big DSLR. I shoot with the Sony a7S III with a 24 to 70 millimeter lens. It's a pretty decent sized camera to constantly whip out, set up, and I wanted something for conveniency in terms of getting behind the scenes or vlogging, and this sucker has been on my mind and I'm pretty excited for it, guys. So we're gonna put it to the test. Enough of me talking. Check that sucker out. Ooh, it tracks my face. Yeah, and the image quality on here is crazy good as well. I know I gotta set it to D-Log so I have more dynamic range for the coloring. Nonetheless, let's get into the product shots. So I actually got part 2 of the clothing brand shoot for ELEV. I got 2 more videos I'm gonna make. So this one, I'm gonna switch it up. I actually have a wired string hanging from the ceiling with the product, and as it spins, I'm gonna transition it into the next product just to make it more engaging. And also an update on the Osmo Pocket 3. I'm loving it. The only thing is we had to make some minor adjustments with the exposure level and also throwing on the ND filter on this. So currently it has one. Experimentation, always play with the equipment that you have and don't just try to wing it on set. Find time for you to practice with the tools that you have. Put the black shorts up there now. Let's do this. It's actually really hard to spin it than you think. Gotta make sure the spin's right too. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut the clip right at the exact part that it's turning to make it seamless as possible. So I'm making sure that on the camera that it is on the same line for every piece of product. Now I'm gonna go for the women's shorts. All right, guys, so hopefully these videos turn out well. I did one video of the transition as it's spinning, and then the other video is going to be more of a detailed shot, and I'm gonna show you guys that right here. Hopefully it turns out well. Let me know what you guys think. Welcome back, guys. So I wanted to update you guys on the Osmo Pocket 3. I've been using it for the past couple of weeks. This video right here, this was actually shot with the Osmo Pocket 3. Just being able to use the gimbal, different heights, attaching it to a tripod. Been very convenient in terms of the sizing, being able to travel with it. I even got a chance to use it in my El Salvador missions trip that I'll add some clips over this video right now so that you guys can see. The conveniency, being able to travel with it, not being so invasive in people's faces. Like I said, convenient. I'm really enjoying it. But another thing to take away from this is don't fall into the hype of all the new fancy technology and all the camera gear that's coming out. It's not really about the equipment as much as it is about the skill set that you are developing on a daily basis. Because at the end of the day, a new camera won't make you a better filmmaker or creator, but mastering the subtle skills with what you have will. Because you can get high quality footage with an iPhone, with a older camera. Don't fall into the hype, but if you are thinking about getting the Osmo Pocket 3, let me know down in the comments if you have one, if you're looking into getting one. That's pretty much it, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed this video, got some value out of it. This next video, I'm gonna show you guys the rig setup that I'm currently using for the Osmo Pocket 3. Till then, hopefully you guys enjoyed. Hit that subscribe, like, comment. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.